is, folks, April 22nd, and it is a snowstorm here. Cold. Oh, is it cold? Snowing like crazy. This is not good winter. We need the global warming, I think. It's snowing pretty good. Hey, dogs. I took out the Blackstone, and now it's going to get covered in snow. Gonna have to fix that. I gotta get a cover for that. We got mulch yesterday, and now it's snowing. I can't believe it. What a snow day. There it is, folks. That's what my day is going to be like. Staying in the house, staying warm. Stay at home. We got the COVID going on anyway, so we got to stay home orders. And on a day like today, it's welcome to stay home. I don't mind staying home like a day like today. It's cold out. What's the old thermometer say? There you got it. Right there. Like what, 19 degrees? Woo! It is cold. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you all out there. Stay home, stay safe. And if you have to go out, do it in a responsible way so you don't bring back COVID to any of your elderly family. And stay safe. Stay warm. And don't be afraid to do something today with your family. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out.